say we know more about space than the oceans. The idea of not being alone is strangely comforting.
Ice worms. There is known species that can cover an area this big in just a few days.
You think they're bite marks?
What's gonna bite an orca?
Came in this morning. High fever, acute diarrhea.
Hold him down!
I don't know how fast it's spreading. We need to get them away from the coast.
Hey, did you see that? What the hell is that?
We found an organic substance in the muscles and the brainstem of a whale.
The sooner we get back out there, the sooner we'll know the extent of the problem.
Which is why I would like to fund a new venture.
Well, hello! Looks like we got our first visitor!
There have been other people infected. None of them survived.
You in Europe, me in Canada.
Somehow we're speaking about the same thing.
The bacteria has infiltrated every source of water.
Does he have any idea what it is?
None.
Whoever's behind it is learning.
Learning.
Some sort of intelligent life force.
We're an army, marching to its orders.
What was that?
We need to get everyone we can off the ship.
People die, Jack. Real people die.
What I would say to any invading force, I'd ask them to stop.